Hey everybody, I'm here with Tina, the outsider, and I already have one video of her minivan, but she is upgraded to a high top and a Roadtrek. We're gonna tour her new rig. Well, new to her. Knock knock.
Welcome to my humbly abode.
Hi.
Welcome to my house. How you doing?
I'm doing good, Tina.
Do you like this one better than the minivan?
Well, you can stand up into it.
What do you think? Do you like this better than the minivan?
Yeah.
Yes, so do I just wish I could use this in here.
Yeah, that would be hard.
Yeah, because you can't even get to the knobs.
You know, the one unit that I have, you might be able to. It's a little round one. I'll have to show you that one. So you've got a stove, a sink, a refrigerator.
But I'm not using this as a refrigerator. I'm using it as storage.
So dry storage.
Dry storage, and I've got
And then you got a blue or a power station for electric.
1500. But I also have my lithium batteries under here.
Okay.
Lithium battery in the inverter.
And then
I have dry storage underneath you.
and you got lots of seating. Look at that. Oh wow. All right.
They lifted the whole thing. Wasn't supposed to.
She's still getting new to her rig. Look at that. Oh, she almost threw her seat out the door. Let's not do that.
I kind of need that. It's been one of those days.
Yeah, well, we all have them days. I'm
And then I got the tool.
not an expert, but I've watched YouTube videos.
Yeah, I'm not an expert.
And she's on YouTube, so make sure you go check her out. Tina, the outsider.
I got the air running.
Yeah.
Air conditioner's going. My microwave works. My stove works. My propane tank works. My fridge works. And
Yeah.
I have a diesel heater, just like you.
Yeah. You're moving on up.
And I got a toilet in here.
All right. You said you have a bathroom in here, and then is this whole thing a bathroom or is it storage? Closet. Look at that. That's a lot of storage.
Stuff falls, always.
Yeah, well, when you're, it's a tornado going down the road.
Yeah.
What do you expect?
And I have clothes in here.
Okay.
And clothes in here. And I've got my underwear and socks in here. And my computer bag always sleeps in the bed with me.
Yeah.
And then I've got my pots and pans. Whoops, which everything's falling out because I've been trying to get this going. And we also baked lemon bars
Awesome.
for the potluck.
Yeah, we're at the M25 meetup. So
This is the first time using this.
nice.
I bought it last year. Oh, those things are like $40, $50. So I'm like, I better learn how to use this sucker.
Yeah. I've got one, but it's a circular one, and it's a little bit smaller. But mine doesn't fold up as small as yours does, so
Yeah.
that's the downside. But I think mine is smaller when it's all set up. So
And I do have the
she's got
power
curtains.
where when you drive.
Oh, the DC to DC?
Yeah.
Yep, nice. And you got curtains coming around here. You got curtains over the windows. Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah, I like it. It's a lot better than the minivan. And
All
I knew I wanted something like this.
Yep,
I was like, I'm done with the minivan.
yep. Gives you a lot more room.
Yeah, it's like a little apartment.
And so you've got a bathroom in here and a shower, like a small dry shower?
shower.
No shower, just a bathroom. Okay.
But you can put the hose thing on here.
Ah.
And if it's long enough, make a shower.
A shower
tight.
out
You can
here.
open up these two
Yep.
doors and do it.
Out here. And then she's got the swivel seat. Awesome. You got components up here, little lights.
We have storage in here. These little
Oh, this
Little cupboard,
comes down.
No,
Nice.
it moves. It opens.
Oh. Ah, gotcha.
I keep my
So
my
then
window stuff
there's
in there.
a piano hinge. So is there storage behind
Yep.
here or something?
Yep.
Okay. I see the hinge, so I assume there was a door.
Yes, exactly.
Nice. All right.
So sorry it's a little messy today, but
Well, we're living in it. What do you expect? Your house is always going to be messy, but
yes.
all right. Well, thank you,
Well, thank
Tina.
you for coming and visiting.
Yeah.
I love it. I love when people come and visit. It's lonely on the road.
So make sure you go check out her channel, everybody. Tina the Outsider. Thanks again for showing us your house.
All right. Well, you're welcome. Thanks for stopping by and come back anytime.
Bye.
Thank you everyone for watching. And I just want to tell you, if you really enjoyed this, check out this video over here in this box, which will be a no-build minivan from Tina the Outsider. So click into that box right now and safe travels.